Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we spill sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. Honey, I knew this was going to be a hard video, okay? It just is what it is. But here is my top 5 fragrance picks from my April tray. And yeah, let's get into it. So my first one, I'm sure you can guess. I've talked about it 100 times this month. And that is from the Dua brand. Yeah, cotton candy, of course. This had to be on my top 5 picks. And this is in no particular order, but I wore this down. I wore this with everything, and everything was wore with, I can't even talk. I wore everything with this. Like, it was a pairing heaven, okay? I wore this alone. I wore this with fragrances, and I love it. I love it. I've said I'm going to get a backup bottle of this. If you love cotton candy scent, sweeter than sweet, but you need a sweet tooth, and it is so good. Oh, and it lasts. That's the other thing about this. It lasts. And I love that this beautiful vanilla cotton candy scent lasts. This is a dream. I have loved this down. Had to be on my top 5 from my fragrance tray. Next up, this fruity floral scent that has a whole lot of fruits. I mean, from green apple, you have some berry, I believe you even have some plum, you have some woody notes. A lot of notes are in this fragrance, and this is Orza from Tiziana Terenzi. Not only is Orza packaging immaculate and just beautiful, extravagant, you know, it is also beautiful. This fruity wild berry, plum, green apple, again, some woody. Like, this is a fruity bomb that I have enjoyed. I've enjoyed wearing. I've gotten many compliments. I've worn this down, and it is so good. Okay, I wore this our office. I hadn't told my family. Maybe I'll tell you in Amber's Corner. I'll tell you in Amber's Corner about it. But I wore this in the office. Okay, some things happened. I'll tell you. Stay after. We'll talk about it. I got to catch you up on some things. But Orza is so good. So if you're looking for a fruity fragrance for this season, this is impactful, mighty. Now, this is a coin. So you might want to go on Joma Shop when they have discounts. Get you down off that coin a little bit and purchase. Moving on. Next up, you knew this had to be on this, my peach tea fabulousness, okay, from Tuskegee, and this is from Paris Corner. This is so good. Oh, I smell it. Arizona peach tea. I don't know what else you want me to say. That's what this smells like. It is so good. So good. If you love a good peach note, you would enjoy it. I enjoyed it down so much. Another one that I enjoyed down was this, okay? This is Aqua de Goya. This is so good. Oh my goodness, refreshing, fruity. Oh, this is amazing. I had a ball. I had a ball this season. I had a ball with the top 5. This is so good. So if you're looking for a fresh, fruity scent, that is powerful, easy reach. You can wear it anywhere. Versatile. Absolutely. This is so good. And then last but certainly not least, out of my top 5, honey, that I wore in combination with that other fragrance. I just talked about this, but it was from Navitus, Mango Kiss. Melon Kiss, not mango. Melon Kiss. I can't say the name right. Melon Kiss. So good. Okay. I love this. And it's so unique, and I don't know why I love this so much. Maybe just my body chemistry and how it goes and flows. This is such a great fragrance. Thank you so much, Gabby Loves Perfumes, for creating this. This is amazing. I love this so much. I would definitely not say this is a blind buy, like this is going to be up your alley, but it has worked wonders and great with my skin, and it absolutely had to be on my top 5 Because again, I've been wearing these two down like it ain't no tomorrow. Okay? So good. Highly recommend both of them together and separate. But Mango Kiss was so good. I enjoyed it. It almost makes me want to re-up on it, or I just want to recycle it for May. I just want to keep wearing this all spring, summer long. It's just that good. It's so good, fruity and unique with that cantaloupe note in here. It just works very good with my skin, and I've enjoyed every bit of it. I don't know what else to say. It was amazing. Okay. Well, that's all, fam. That's all for my top 5 from my April fragrance tray. What was your best scent that you had, or your best discovery, or your best fragrance that you wore in the month of April? You know I would love to know. Comment down below. Hey, if you want to stay for Amber's Corner, just gonna catch you up on some things and just some chit-chatting things. But if that's not your vibe, I totally understand. But make sure you subscribe, give me a thumbs up, comment down below. I would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, make sure you're good to yourself. Give yourself some, grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough hello? Your sis just did. Bye, fam. I love you so much. Bye, and see you in Amber's Corner. Well, fam, welcome back to Amber's Corner. Honey, listen, I got the greatest news, okay? The greatest news. I was in the office, sitting in the office, mind my own business, okay? I do work from home, but there's one day a week I have to go into the office. Well, this was the day. Went into the office, and guess what happened? Lights cut off. Like, power shut off in one half of the building. And I thought, when the lights cut off, I was like, well, maybe somebody bumped up on it, whatever. They're going to turn it back on. Nope. They couldn't turn it back on, right? But my boss still had us working. So we was working in the dark, and then the toilets wouldn't flush. The water wasn't working. It was a hot mess. And why were we still working? Exactly. Why? Exactly. Okay. Corporate America. Anyway, so we were still working until the AC, it was like boom, boom, and the AC shut off, right? So no water, power off, AC off. We are like, oh no. We was getting disgruntled and some more stuff. Like, this is crazy. Like, we need to go. And so as soon as he messaged saying, we're looking at this, step by or moment by moment, he was going to give us some updates because he thought it was going to be fixed quick. Honey, the internet shut down. Then we couldn't work. So we got to go home. So word on the curve is that the building, they did pay the bill, but that the building got struck by lightning the weekend before. And it kind of fried some of the what is it? I don't know. You're like, what is this? Sis, you telling me the story. But it seems like the wiring got fried or something like that with the electricity or with the lightning striking the building. Anyway, the good news. Let's go to the good news. The great news is, honey, the fire marshal shut it down. He said, y'all got to get this fixed before anybody comes back in this building. So we get to work from home. I don't have to go into the office. And now I know some of you are like, sis, I don't care. But I do. And it's amazing. It's an amazing thing when you don't have to go into the office and you can just wake up, travel downstairs, and work. The best thing since sliced bread, okay? So I am so happy. I think that we're about to be in this moment for maybe like 4 weeks or something like that. Honey, I don't care. I'm having a ball. I'm having a good time. How's your day? Great. How's your week? Amazing. So I love that. But I also wanted to tell you all, fam. So maybe I'm late or new, or yeah, I'm late to the new verbiage game. But I've been hearing this phrase talking about like crashing out. Comment down below. What does that mean? Crashing out. I'm gonna be crashing out, or he was crashing out, or she was crashing out.
Yo, get up. I'm gonna crash out, man. I'm gonna fucking crash out. Oh, my bad.
I feel like that word is so extreme. I asked my daughter, and I feel like she said that it's for someone that's mad or has a bad attitude or just is having a bad day or something. Like the definition, it seems so extreme to be crashing out.
This guy's school has a crash out room where people can go to crash out.
When I'm thinking about crashing out, I'm thinking, girl, you about to do something crazy? Are you like, what's happening? Like, you gonna be on the ground? Like, you throwing yourself on the ground? Like, it seems so extreme. Crashing out. I was crashing out, or she was crashing out. Comment down below. Maybe I'm again new to this, new to the thing. Crashing out. I'd rather say I'm having a bad day. I'd rather say I'm mad. Crashing out. I'm mad. I don't know. Like, what do you all think? Is that the new term? If I'm just being like too old for the cause, I don't know. Yeah. Okay. So crashing out, I've learned. Are y'all over where them fans at? Where them fans at? Are y'all over that song? I seen one of my friends in the comment section. He was like, "Turn it off. It's over. We tired. Are y'all tired of that song?" Like, I've never done the dance to that song, but I've watched so many videos that I know the dance, and I have not tried the dance. It's one of those, like, I know how to do it because I've seen it so many times. So what do you all think about the where my fans at?
I am sick. I am sick, sick, sick. And when I'm not sick, I'm tired. I am sick and tired.
Where my fans at? Where my fans at? Oh, I mean, what y'all think? What y'all think about that song? Y'all over it? Are y'all still going? Are y'all wanting to do it at the cookout? Is it gonna be like right foot, let's stomp, left foot, let's stomp, freeze, everybody clap, y'all? Is it one of them? Is it gonna just be around? Let me know about that, okay? What like what else has come up? What's going on with you all? Like, how's life? How's life? We here, sis. What's going on? Like the tariffs? Girl, are we gonna be able to buy food? Are we gonna be able to get toys for the kids? It sounds a little scary, to say the least. No matter, like, hey, clearly, you know who I voted for, right? We all know that. Like, look at a black woman and be like, we know you voted for. But I just feel like, are we saving money? I is confused. Is anybody else scared and confused? I'm trying not to be, in fear. I believe in Christ. I'm not trying to live in fear, but I'm just like, so tariff, if it raises up, is my paycheck raising up with this? Or am I going to be losing money? It sounds like I'm not going to be able to pay for much of anything. Can I go on trips? Because it sounds like I'm not going to be welcomed in the trips. It sounds like now I'm becoming the enemy and it ain't got nothing to do with me. You know, that's how I'm feeling right now. It ain't got nothing to do with me. This ain't my daggone battle. I don't know what the man is doing. And the people mad at me. I want to partner with you. I don't know what he doing. You know, like, so, yeah. And this is not even a year yet. Yeah, you tired? I is tired for all of us. Okay. Even if you're not tired, I'm still tired for you. And it hasn't been a year. Okay. So, and it's just, even my company is just talking about like even traveling and how that's going to affect like our business. And so I continue to pray. And I guess we'll see, because we don't have a choice but to see the foolishness. Okay. All right. Well, that is all. I don't know what else I have to talk about. I'm excited for my trips coming up. My trips and the dips and the trips and the dips. Are you all going on any trips? I would love to know. Do you have some summer plans? Okay. Are you getting into your summer bodies like me? Like starting out late, but we're still doing the thing, you know? We're still trying to change things around. Are you all on that? Or are you like, yeah, no, I'm just going to eat? Since I'm just eating, I'm doing my normal thing. Let me know. So catch me up. Catch me up. So those are just some of the different topics that are in my mind. Yeah, I can't wait though to share some really great news with you all. I can't share it yet because it's not announced yet, but I can't wait to tell you all about it. And I'm going to tell you right here because this is, we talk. We're here. So, well, that's all, fam. Okay, for Amber's Corner. All right, let me know maybe some topics, some things that you want to discuss in Amber's Corner. I would love to chat about it. Okay. Well, fam, until next time, I will see you later in Amber's Corner. Bye.